What is blockchain? Imagine you have a notebook where you write down every time you lend or borrow money from a friend. But what if instead of just you keeping that notebook, thousands of people have the exact same copy? Every time you write something new, everyone updates their copy too. That's blockchain, a shared digital notebook that records transactions securely and transparently so no one can cheat, erase, or change the past records. In simple words, a blockchain is a digital record, ledger, of transactions. It is decentralized. No single person or company controls it. It is secure and transparent. Everyone can see transactions, but no one can secretly change them. How does blockchain work? Step 1. A transaction happens. Someone sends Bitcoin, buys an NFT, or makes any transaction. Step 2. The transaction is verified. Instead of a bank approving it, a network of thousands of computers checks if the transaction is real. Step 3. The transaction is added to a block. Once verified, the transaction is put into a block, like a page in a notebook. Step 4. The block is sealed and linked to the previous one. Each block is locked and connected to the last one, forming a chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain. Step 5. The blockchain updates for everyone now. The record is permanent, and everyone in the network has the updated version. Why is blockchain special? No one can cheat. Once a transaction is recorded, it can't be changed. No middleman. No banks or companies needed, reducing costs fast and global. Transactions happen instantly across the world. How can blockchain make poor people rich? Blockchain is not just about Bitcoin. It can create opportunities for people to build wealth in new ways. 1. Investing in crypto. Just like people made millions from Bitcoin and Ethereum, investing in good cryptocurrencies early can create wealth. Example, in 2010, Bitcoin was worth $0.01. Today, it's worth thousands of dollars. Warning, crypto is volatile. Only invest what you can afford to lose. 2. Play to earn P2E games. Blockchain games reward players with real crypto and NFTs. Example, people in the Philippines made a living by playing Axie Infinity. 3. NFTs and digital art. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, allow artists to sell digital art for millions. Ordinary people have made thousands selling NFTs. 4. Freelancing and jobs in blockchain. People from any country can earn in crypto by offering services, writing, coding, design. No bank needed, just a crypto wallet. 5. DeFi, decentralized finance, and earning passive income. With DeFi, you can earn interest by lending your crypto, like a bank for yourself. No need for a high-paying job. Just use your money smarter. The future of blockchain. Many big companies and governments are adopting blockchain. Jobs, banking, and even real estate will use blockchain in the future. The earlier you learn about it, the better your chances to create wealth.